Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to clean copper vessels with Pitambari. Begin by rinsing the vessel with warm water and drying it lightly, then apply a thin Pitambari paste. Rub gently in circular motions with a soft cloth. Let sit for a few minutes. Rinse thoroughly until all residues are gone. Finally buff to a shine with a clean microfiber cloth while keeping gentle pressure and admire the finish. To make an effective Pitambari paste, start with a small bowl and 1 tablespoon of water mixed into Pitambari powder until smooth. You want a spreadable cream that clings to the copper. Apply in thin layers and avoid overloading, especially on ornate sections, because excess paste traps grit. Always test a hidden spot first, then proceed to cover the whole surface and allow the paste a few minutes to work before rinsing and buffing. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more cleaning guides. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice for a crisp scent that makes any ride more enjoyable and pairs nicely with freshly polished copper on a sunny drive. Check the description for the link and other deals, pick one up if you want, and now let's get back to the video. Handle Pitambari with care by wearing gloves and working in a ventilated area to avoid skin irritation. Use only soft cloths and gentle pressure to keep the copper surface intact and preserve any desirable patina. After cleaning, dry vessels completely and store them away from moisture to slow retarnish. And remember, periodic gentle maintenance keeps copper looking great without heavy polishing or damage over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.